Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to delete items from inventory on Roblox. Okay, first things first, let us access our inventory. In here, I'm going to tap on the menu button at the top left corner and then select Inventory. Now, I'm just going to locate the item that I want to delete. In this case, I'll just navigate to Classic Clothing and then Classic T-shirts. Please note that some items that you have created yourself might not be deletable, but items from other creators or purchases should generally be deletable. Also, remember that when you delete an item, you won't get any Robux back. If you purchase an item, the Robux spent on it will be lost permanently once deleted. After clicking on this, you'll receive a confirmation message asking if you are sure that you want to permanently delete the item. After that, if you are sure, just click yes. And that's it. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it! You can now delete items from inventory on Roblox. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!